welcome to another video. My name is Annika, one of the creative team member from NBK-Design. The products you will see in this video were received free of charge as part of my free creative teamwork for NBK-Design. We are in April now and our calendar goes on. And this time I will try something different. I will use two papers. And for this I will use the April collection. And I will use a solid paper and I will put this where the sheet is, something like this. And because we have some beautiful impasto papers here, I will use this one and something like this. Okay. If you want, you can change and recolor the blue. Let's zoom in a little bit to the blue. And then we go to image adjustments and replace color. And then click here and okay, and okay, and let's do this with the red too. Adjustments, replace. Pick it, and then you can make this just black. Okay. And in this collection we have multiple word art packs with different fonts, and I will use more than one of the word arts and something which is positive, like amazed and peaceful and free. Yes, those three, and drag it first all three on top of my paper, and then I can arrange them and resize them, shift and grab one of these squares here, something like this. And let's have a look what else we have in the artsy bits and pieces in the two packs. And we grab this ampersand. And now I arrange them a little bit and free, and make a copy, controller command J, and something like this. Okay, and we have these watercolor paintings, and add a shadow, and this one, resize it, add a shadow, and perhaps we have also these transfers here. Let's use this one and put it behind. And of course we need a style now. We have impasto. Mixed styles are always good, I think. So I already installed the first mixed style pack, double click or go to the lines and load styles, and these are the styles here. And I will add this style here. And what else do we have? A Lupilalusa. There with shadows or without shadows. And let's add this one. Okay. Okay, and this is it, my inspiration for you for the April calendar sheet, this time with 2 papers and a lot of word arts. And thanks for watching and see you, bye!